Hi students, now we have to solve some multiple choice questions, MCQs. Number 1, in the reaction CH3 CH2OH H2SO4 NaBr, X is given. And we have to identify what is X in the product in this reaction. Now look here, this is one of the method of the preparation of alkyl bromide also from alcohol. Then now look here what the reaction takes place. NaBr and H2SO4 reacts in situ with alcohol ethanol to produce HBr and a sodium hydrogen sulfate. And this HBr reacts with CH3CH2OH to give CH3CH2Br plus H2O. That's why the product obtained is here CH3CH2Br. C is the correct option. Second, peroxide effect is observed in case of, we already discussed this point in anti-Marconi capsule called as a peroxide effect, and the effect is observed only in case of a HBr, only in HBr. A is the correct option. C. Let us see here question number 3. 0.5 mole of phosphorus trichloride PCl3 reacts completely with ethanol. The amount of ethanol used is how many gram? For this, let us see the balancing reaction. I mentioned so many times you. 1 mole of a PCl3 or PBr3, Pi3 is capable to react with these are 3 moles of alcohols. Then now look the balancing reaction. Thrice ethanol PCl3, 3C2H5Cl. Then according to stoichiometry, what is the stoichiometry? The process of making calculations based on balanced chemical equation is called as the stoichiometry. What the stoichiometry tells us here? Here 1 mole of PCl3 reacts with a 3 mole of ethanol. Now look here, 1 mole of a PCl3 react with a 3 mole. We know that 1 mole of any substance is equal to its molar mass, molecular weight. What is the molecular weight of ethanol? 1 carbon 12, 2 carbon 24, 1 hydrogen 1, 6 hydrogen 6, 24 plus 6 30, 1 oxygen 1 oxygen 16, 30 plus 16 46. 1 mole of ethanol is equal to 46 gram. Here how many mole required? 3. Therefore 1 mole of PCl3 is equal to 3 into molar mass of ethanol, which is 46 gram. Then in the numerical 0.5 mole is asked. 0.5 mole is equal to half mole. Then half mole of PCl3 will be suppose here x gram. Then a cross multiplication 1 into x is equal to 3 into 46 into half. We get this answer. 69 gram is the answer. The amount of ethanol used is 69 gram. D is the correct option. Fourth, the reversible reaction of iodination of alkane can be prevented by adding. We know that iodination of alkane, direct iodination of alkane is a reversible. The reversible, why this is a reversible? Because the HI form acts as a strong reducing agent. And to destroy that HI, we have to use always oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is the correct answer. Another name of oxidizing agent is a oxidant, and we have to use strong oxidant. C is the correct option. Let us see here question number 5. The reactivity of HX in increasing order with alcohol is a dash. Which HX reacts rapidly, easily, readily with alcohol. For this we have to see the bond length and bond nature of this HX. HCl, HBr, HI, H is common. This is the halogen family. We know that atomic and ionic size increases from top to the bottom. Chlorine small size, iodine bigger size. This a bond is a small bond, short bond, strong bond. HI bond is a long bond and hence weak bond. As HI is the weak bond, it dissociates very readily, easily, and that's why HI is most reactive towards alcohol as compared to HBr than HCl. Here bond length is the reason, size is the reason. Then which is the correct order? Here order is here C. HCl, HBr, HI. MCQ number 6. The number of monochloro derivatives obtained when isobutane is a photochlorinated. Let us see here photochlorination of isobutane. This is the formula of isobutane. CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Dear students, we have here two types of hydrogen. These are 9 hydrogen atoms. They are equivalent, and this hydrogen is another one. If we remove hydrogen from this state A, we get a 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. And when we remove any hydrogen from state B, these are 9 hydrogen atoms are equivalent. Remove any one, we get this one. 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. No doubt this is obtained in a very high quantity, because I mentioned earlier in the lectures, 3-degree hydrogen easily replaced as compared to 1-degree hydrogen. But we get here how many derivatives? 2 monochloro derivatives. Therefore, the option correct is B. 2 monochloro derivatives are obtained.